could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know, all the games you made for me.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. So today's video is a cleaning video and I'm super excited for this one. This video kicks off a new series. It's a week-long series I have going on my channel starting today. So this video is going up on Monday, July 13th. So if you are not watching it on the day I upload, this is just to give you guys some reference. So every day for this week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I am going to be uploading a cleaning video. Honestly, the reason I'm doing this is because I really, like me, myself, I really need to get back into like establishing really good cleaning habits. I really, really didn't do any meaningful cleaning pretty much all of quarantine. Quarantine hit us really hard and affected our family in a pretty significant way, like along with some other things going on, and cleaning was just not a priority for me. But things are changing, and I really need to get back into like daily cleaning and getting into those healthy routines and keeping up on things. So a daily cleaning video will kind of help me to like establish that and kind of force me to clean. So definitely check the description box. I'm going to have my cleaning motivation playlist linked down in my description box. Definitely come back tomorrow if you are watching this on Monday. If not, definitely check the description box. Check out that playlist so you guys can get caught up. So for the time being, this video is just a kitchen clean with me paired with just a little bit of folding laundry at the end. This is really like a complete disaster kitchen cleaning routine because my kitchen really needed some help. As far as like content for this week, it's not going to be anything crazy. It's not going to be like deep cleans or anything like that. It's just going to be like daily cleaning motivation, like me kind of getting some daily cleaning tasks done, maybe some like odd jobs here or there, but generally nothing crazy. Like I said, this is all about just like establishing those daily cleaning habits. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are struggling like me, I'm so sorry. But I really hope you guys enjoy the daily cleaning motivation. I know that I have been watching a lot of cleaning videos on YouTube myself, like to get myself ready for the week. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to let some music play. Like I said, I am just doing my kitchen in this video, and then I'm going to fold some laundry at the end. So I'll let some music play for the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I hope you guys are all doing well and staying healthy. And yeah, come back tomorrow for cleaning video number 2. And as always, guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. And please consider subscribing if you are new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I am so close to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and I'm going to do a big giveaway when I do hit 10,000 subscribers. So I hope you guys choose to stick around. I would love to have you here.
Got me thinking if you're okay. You call me, I'm alone. Maybe I'm just lonely. Oh, keep me up all morning, babe. 'Cause I've been having dreams of you. Go back to something. Maybe we could be more than nothing. Maybe we could have it all. I can't go low, 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 low. They don't gotta know. So maybe we could have it all. I'm falling down without you. Go into hiding. I'll never be flying now. Baby, I look just like the colors. Got me feeling alive. In my mind, it's like butterflies over again. It's like butterflies over again. You could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know, all the games you made for me. Got me thinking if you're okay. You call me, I'm alone. Maybe I'm just lonely. Oh, keep me up all morning, babe. 'Cause I've been having dreams of you. Go back to something. Maybe we could be more than nothing. Maybe we could have it all. I can't go low, 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 low. They don't gotta know. So maybe we could have it all. Maybe I'm falling down without you. Go into Maybe I look just like the colors. Got me feeling alive. In my mind it's like butterflies over again. It's like butterflies over again. You could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know. All the games you made for me. Got me thinking if you're okay. You call me, I'm not alone. Maybe I'm just lonely. Oh, keep me up all morning, babe. 'Cause I've been having dreams of you. They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They say, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until used to feel like it was just us. Guess I thought I was in love. 'Cause if I wasn't, who was I? And why'd you stay those mornings? I hope you felt something too. And now we used to waste our days just listening to songs I made. Yeah, they're all about you. Yes, that's what I get for trying. I'm half in love and half on fire. Thought that you would be too. But maybe that's what I deserve. Fall too quick, not to get hurt. Hope I find another you. Find another you. Losing all of my sleep. Think of you and can't breathe. Don't bother thinking you're the same. 'Cause if you were, we'd be okay. Had you loved what I do, holding on to what was. I guess that's what love does. Yes, that's what I get for trying. I'm half in love and half